Okay, let's get in ready position at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. There it is. Okay, you can take your hands away. Now I am going to play and sing this song for you. And unlike the last 2 songs, I'm pretty sure you've never heard this song before. You know how I know? I wrote this song. I made it up and it's a brand new song and I hope you like it. It's called Raindrops Fall. Here we go. Raindrops fall, raindrops fall, I can't even count them all. Drip, drip, drop, drip, drip, drop. Will this raining ever stop? So much rain all around, watch it falling to the ground. Raindrops fall, raindrops fall, watch the raindrops fall. There it is. Okay, now what you might have noticed is that I was playing pretty much all in the right hand, right? The only time I went into the left hand was for those bass clef G's. So I kept my left hand in ready position so that it was really easy when it was time to play those bass clef G's. But most of the time I was right up here in the right hand. Now once again, this is a really long song, right? So do you remember what our rule is for how to practice really long songs? We do just a little bit at a time, right? We don't try to play the whole song through the first time. So we're going to start with just the first 2 measures. The first 2 measures do that thing where we go back and forth with our thumbs that we do over and over in this song. So that's a really important thing to practice. So I'm going to do it once and then let's do it together. Okay? Here we go. All right, will you get in ready position for me? And let's play the first 2 measures together. Here we go. Now, if you need more time to work on that, pause the video and just practice doing that back and forth a few more times because we do that over and over again in this song. Very important. Okay, and oops. The one other thing that I wanted to point out in this song, in the last song we talked about skips. And this song mostly is steps, which means that all the notes will be right next door to each other, right? You won't be skipping any fingers. Now, the bass clef G, that is a bit of a jump, right? You're going from here to here. You're actually skipping 2 notes, but they're in different hands, so it's a little bit different. There is one place in this song that has a skip, and I'm going to show it to you. It's on page 2. And it's right here. You go from G to E. So remember how when it's a skip, you go from a line to a line or a space to a space? What are these? Are these lines or spaces? These are line notes, right? They have a line in the middle of them. So let's look at what that looks like on the keyboard. We're basically playing the same measure twice. So, oops, my fingers were not in the right place. So I'm going to be going E, F, G, and then repeating it. E, F, G. So when I do that skip, I'm skipping finger 4 which was on F. So I'm going to play that through one more time, and then we'll play that together. Here we go. All right, now it's your turn. Get your hands up in ready position. Here we go. E, F, G, E, F, G. Good. Pause the video if you need more time on that. All right, so just a quick review here. You're first going to learn page 1. Once you know page 1, then you'll learn page 2. And once you know page 2, then you can work on going to the end of page 1 and starting page 2 without taking a break. And once you can play the whole song through without stopping, then you'll know that you really, really learn it. And you'll have played all the songs in the book. Hey, great job today. You have done an awesome job with this series. And once you learn this song, you will have completed the entire series. And you have so many songs you can play. So, once you're there, once you've got the song down, I want you to turn to the very back of your book. You're going to find this Certificate of Achievement. You can put your name on it and the date, and then you can hang it on your fridge or in your bedroom or anywhere that feels special. Thank you so much for joining me in this series. I hope to see you again soon.